Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie and hang a bear bag. So the first things that you'll need are 40 to 50 feet of paracord or rope, a carabiner, your bear bag, a small throw bag, a stick, and a tree with a sturdy branch at least 15 to 20 feet tall and 6 feet from the trunk. So first we're going to tie a bowline knot onto the carabiner. Then you're going to attach the carabiner onto your throw bag and add some weight. I added some rocks and wrapped in a towel. And then toss it over the branch. Now unhook the carabiner from the small throw bag and attach it to your bear bag. Additionally, you need to thread the loose end through the carabiner. Now this is very important for our next step. Now we're going to pull the rope until the bag is all the way up, touching the branch. And we're going to take a twig, reach as high as you can, and tie a clove hitch knot. You're then going to slowly release the rope until the stick hits the carabiner and locks it in place. You've now hung your bear bag. To take it down, pull on the rope until you can reach the stick, remove the stick and untie the knot, and then slowly release to let your bag come down again. All right, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any other video suggestions.